96.3 WHUR celebrates Black history with McDonald's by recognizing DMV Black excellence.
Here's another trailblazer making our lives better.
Jessica Brown, president of the College Gurl Foundation and author, as a nationally recognized financial aid expert and founder of all things the College Gurl with a U instead of the I, Jessica provides eye-opening knowledge to students and families on how to make the best decisions around financing higher education. This award-winning HU grad speaks all over the U.S. at schools, organizations, and on major TV and media platforms, so much so that she's known as the Financial Aid Fairy Godmother after helping so many. Thank you, Jessica Brown.
See more DMV Black excellence at WHUR.com.
Brought to you by the local McDonald's owner-operators of Greater Washington, D.C.
Proudly celebrating Black history 365 days a year.